What up, YouTube? So my son, he kind of got this guitar / wanted, donated it from his little program he was in. Nice little acoustic guitar here that needs brand new strings eventually. He needs strings really bad. We'll work on that. But I was in there playing on it. It's not a real bad. It's not a bad guitar, you know. It's a guitar that I can't pronounce the name, but there it is. There it is. Yeah, you get it in there. All right. So I figure I'll play a little something on it because it doesn't stay in tune very well.
The strings are older than I am.
Yeah. So here we go. This is a pretty cool little guitar. So, whenever I get some new strings on it, it'll be something to have a little shred machine around the house. So it's pretty neat.
The history behind this, though. The
Yeah,
sticker I got from a friend.
To figure out the history of this guitar, you can tune into his channel, and I'll link him in the description. And go subscribe. Go subscribe to him, and he'll tell you all about his guitar. And yeah, that'd be cool. So thanks for watching. Keep it brutal.